अब मैं बिला ताखिर मोहम्मद जावेद को दावत सुखन देता हूँ कि वो आए और इंग्लिश तकरीर पेश करें। पुरखों की विरासत कभी खाली नहीं करते, पुरखों की विरासत कभी खाली नहीं करते। हम प्यार अपने मुल्क से जाली नहीं करते और छाती पे चढ़ के बोलना आदत है हमारी, छाती पे चढ़ के बोलना आदत है हमारी। हम लोग हुकूमत की दलाली नहीं करते। मोहम्मद जावेद।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन वल आक़िबतु लिल मुत्तक़ीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन। अम्मा बाद। Honorable President, respected teachers, and my dear friends, I am going to deliver my speech on the topic ideal manner of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My dear ideas, Allah has sent many prophets and messengers to guide the people, and Allah sent His finally prophets, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the master of all messengers. He was born in noble family of Quraysh in Mecca. He was last prophet. He was so honest, kindness, and trustworthy in his dealing the people. Used to call him Al-Amin, Al-Sadiq. He was very kind, sympathetic, and soft-hearted in his treatment. He said, "Innama bu'ithu li'utammima makarim al-akhlaq." I have been sent to complete good manner. He was good-natured, kind, truthful, and civilized. Hazrat Hassan bin Sabit radiyallahu anhu prized in this world. وحسن منك لم تر قط عيني وأجمل منك لم تلد النساء خلقت مبرأ من كل عيب كأنك قد خلقت كما تشاء. My dear elders, it is compulsory for every true Muslim to follow the conduct of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam properly. I pray that may Allah follow on behalf Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in every address. All. I finish my topic. Allah bless us and you. Wa ma alayhi illa al-balagh.
बहुत खूब माशाअल्लाह।